Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on difference between import flat file and import data in SSMS. So SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. So if you see the import flat file and import data, so you will see these words and these features. After right click your database and go to tasks, in the down you can see import flat file, import data, export data and copy database. So there are four options are there. First we will discuss about import flat file and import data. So import data, I already made two videos on import data. So whenever you click on import data, first it is asking your source. So your source, it can be anything. It can be text file, CSV file, Excel file, XML file, or SQL table. As well as your destination also, it can be anything. So you can load it into from SQL to text file, SQL to CSV. It can be vice versa. So you can use any variety of source as a source, any variety of destination as a destination in import data and export data. But here, when it comes to import flat file, it's slightly different. So here, I am selecting import flat file. So before that, I will show the CSV file that I need to load into the SQL table. So this is my CSV file, so which contains 405 records. And you can see the header names, ID, first name, last name, email, and gender. So all these are related to person data. Okay, so I want to load this data, this 405 records into SQL table in the sample database. If you go sample database, you check the tables. I have only one table, country table. I don't have any other table. Okay, I want to create the table, person table, and have to load the data into this table using import flat file. So right click, go to tasks, and here select import flat file. So immediately you will get this window. So go to next. Okay. Now choose your location. Browse. So my CSV file is there in D drive file sample1.txt. Go to D drive. Okay. Go to files. So here you can see sample1.csv and click on open. So immediately it is asking your table name. That means it won't allow to load the data into the existing table. So every time whenever you get the data from CSV or text files, you have to give the table name, new table name as well. Suppose here I am giving person. This is my new table name. So this is the schema, table schema. Okay. Now go to next. So it is showing a preview data. So there are 405 records are there. So all these are different records. So it is showing 50 records by default. Okay. Now go to next again. So here this is the uh, data types and metadata of the columns in the CSV file. Okay. Next, go to next. So these are the credentials of the SQL Server. So admin, okay, database name sample, table name person. Now file has been imported from D drive file sample1.csv. So that means I have to get the data from the CSV file to into this table which is there in database sample. Okay, finish and close. Okay, and refresh your tables here. In the sample database earlier I have shown only one table. Now you can see along with country. So you can see person table and select the table. Select star from person. Okay, and change your database here as sample, because we are loaded the file into this sample database person file. Okay, just execute this one, so you can see all those records which is there in the CSV file are getting loaded into database table, all 405 records. This is CSV file. Okay, in the same path I have one more Excel file is there. Suppose it's cricket. So here I want to load this Excel document. See, extension is Microsoft Excel worksheet by using import flat file. So once again go to your right click on the database name. Okay, go to tasks and select import file. So go to next. So it is asked again to browse the file. So here we want to export Excel file. Okay, I'm taking all files here. I am taking here ICC underscore cricket dot XLSX. Open DBO. Go to next. So what is the data here? You can see the data here. Everything is clumsy. See, there is no header names. So before that, I will show the file cricket.excel file. Okay. Right click, just open. I am trying to load this Excel document into the database tables using import data file, import flat file. So what is there in the Excel sheet? So this is the data in the Excel sheet. Three sheets are there: T20, ODI, test, and the name of the players, country, rating, and the format of the cricket. And if you load this data here, see, if you load the data import flat file source, you can see everything is zigzag. We don't find any real data. Okay, that means, so this import data file, see, even though there are number of columns, rank, name, country, rating, everything is there, but you can see only one column, column 1. Okay, and if you go and check the details, see, I am creating so new table ICC underscore get, and from this Excel sheet into the sample database. It's failed. See, it's failed. So that means, as its name implies, import flat file could allow only text document and CSV file. This is the first difference. Okay. Coming to files, it accepts only text and CSV file. So I will make a note the differences between these two. First one, file sources: txt, CSV. It accepts only two. Okay, it accepts flat file source. Flat file means both CSV and text file. XLSX, Excel sheet, XML, and OLEDB. OLEDB means SQL tables. So import data option can get different sources like flat file, Excel sheet, XML, and SQL table. So whereas it comes to import flat file, it accepts only CSV and text files. Okay. Next, ease of use. Ease of use. So it is very simple. Import data file is very simple. Okay, so coming to import data, it's more advanced. This is second difference. Coming to next one, table creation. Table creation. So it allows always new table. It allows only new table. It can't import into the existing table. Okay, new table or existing table. It can be anything. Okay. Next, data transformation. Data transformation. Data transformation is not possible in import data file, so it is possible in import data option. Okay. Next one, SSAS package or automation SSAS package. So it is not possible to develop SSAS package from the data, and here it is possible. Yes, we can develop SSAS package. Okay, so these are the differences between import data file and import data option in SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so I hope you understand why we are not failed to download the Excel document, because import data file will accept import flat file. Import flat file will accept only text and CSV files, but not other files. But import data it can accept multiple sources, any type of sources into the file. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.